Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee, car enthusiasts. If you're looking to get more performance out of your car, you're in the right place. Car mods are a great way to personalize your vehicle, but with so many mods on the market, it can be tough to decide which ones are worth the investment. So today we'll look at the top car mods that actually work. These mods truly make a difference in your driving experience. Let's get to it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. Cold air intake. A cold air intake is one of the easiest, most affordable ways to improve your engine's performance. By replacing the factory airbox with a high-flow intake system, you allow cooler, denser air to enter the engine. Cooler air is oxygen-rich, improving combustion efficiency and giving your engine the power it needs to perform at its best. This mod helps with horsepower, typically adding anywhere from 5 to 20 extra horses to the engine. It also gives your ride a mean growl. But here's something to keep in mind. If you live in a region with heavy rain, make sure to install a water shield, as cold air intakes can be more exposed to water than the stock setup. As a bonus, cold air intakes usually improve fuel efficiency slightly, which is always a win. Number 2. Performance exhaust system. The performance exhaust system does wonders for performance by reducing back pressure, which allows exhaust gases to exit the engine faster. This lets the engine breathe more freely and improves horsepower. You're looking at an average increase of 5 to 10 horsepower with a performance exhaust. But the real reason to install one is the sound. A performance exhaust gives your car that deep rumble that turns heads wherever you go. There are different types of exhaust systems to consider, such as catback, axleback, and headerback systems. The catback is the most common and provides the most noticeable performance and sound upgrades. Just keep in mind that an exhaust system can be on the pricey side, but the benefits, especially the sound, are totally worth it. Number 3. Aftermarket suspension kits. Up next is the aftermarket suspension kit. This mod can make a significant impact on how your car handles. Whether you're looking to improve your car's handling on tight corners or lower the ride height for a sportier look, suspension kits deliver. Coilover kits are particularly popular because they allow for full adjustability, meaning you can tweak the ride height to your personal preferences. This kind of suspension mod can reduce body roll and improve cornering performance, giving you a more confident feel while driving. But be mindful of ride quality. While performance might improve, coilovers can sometimes make the ride stiffer. It's something to consider if you're using your car for daily driving. If you're aiming for a more luxurious ride, consider performance shocks or struts instead. This mod can also improve your car's aesthetics with that low-slung aggressive stance. Number 4. ECU Tune. If you're serious about performance, an ECU Tune is one of the most effective mods you can get. Your car's ECU, or engine control unit, is responsible for managing everything from fuel to air ratios to ignition timing. By flashing your ECU with a custom tune, you can unlock more horsepower, improve fuel efficiency, and fine-tune your car's performance. An ECU tune is highly customizable depending on what you want from your car. If you're after more horsepower, expect gains of anywhere from 20 to 50 horsepower. If you're looking for a better throttle response or better fuel efficiency, an ECU tune can accomplish that as well. One thing to keep in mind is that some tuners require the use of premium fuel for optimal performance. And while this mod can be done by professionals, there are plug-and-play tuning mods available for DIYers, though results can vary. Number 5. Performance brake pads. When it comes to performance, stopping power is just as important as acceleration. Upgrading your brake pads is a great mod that pays off in terms of safety and performance. Performance brake pads are made from tougher materials than stock pads and are designed to handle more aggressive driving. Upgraded brake pads reduce brake fade, meaning your car's braking performance won't diminish as quickly when you're hard on the brakes. While they won't directly improve your car's horsepower, these pads can give you more consistent braking, especially in high-performance situations. They're also more durable than stock pads, so you'll get more life out of them. If you're looking for an upgrade that's both functional and relatively affordable, this is it. Number 6. Upgraded tires. Tires are often overlooked when it comes to mods, but they're crucial to your car's overall performance. Tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road, so upgrading to high-performance tires can drastically improve your grip, braking, and overall handling. Performance tires are built from a softer rubber compound and a more aggressive tread pattern, allowing them to stick to the road better than all-season tires. Whether you're driving in dry, wet, or snowy conditions, there are performance tires available for every environment. and with better grip comes more responsive handling. Now, tires can be expensive, but if you're serious about performance, they're one mod you definitely don't want to skip. Not only will they improve your car's capabilities, but they'll also give you a much smoother, more confident driving experience. Number 7. Short Shifter. For those of you driving a manual transmission, the short shifter is a fantastic mod that can make a big difference. A short shifter reduces the throw between gears, allowing for quicker, more precise shifts. This mod gives your car a sportier feel. While it doesn't add any horsepower, it makes the driving experience more engaging. Not only does it improve performance, but a short shifter also gives you better feedback, making gear changes feel more responsive. Keep in mind that installing a short shifter might take some time if you're doing it yourself, and it can change the feel of your car's transmission, so it might take some getting used to. But if you love a more tactile and immediate shift, this mod is worth it. Number 8. Lightweight Flywheel. Another mod that enhances acceleration is the lightweight flywheel. By replacing your car's stock flywheel with a lighter, performance-oriented one, you reduce rotational mass. This results in faster revving and quicker throttle response. This mod shines in manual transmission cars, where you can feel the difference in how quickly your engine revs up. A lighter flywheel can make your car feel more responsive and improve acceleration, especially from a standstill. However, a lightweight flywheel can reduce engine smoothness at idle and might not be ideal for every car. It's perfect for performance builds, but if you're after a smooth daily driver, you might want to consider other options. Number 9. Lower gear ratio. Lowering your gear ratio is one of the most effective ways to achieve faster acceleration. By swapping out your car's rear gears for a set with a lower ratio, your car's engine will rev higher at lower speeds, allowing you to accelerate faster off the line. This mod is useful if you're into drag racing or want to improve your car's launch performance. While you won't get a higher top speed, you will shave time off your 0 to 60 mph times. Keep in mind that a lower gear ratio can negatively affect your fuel economy, as the engine will be revving higher at cruising speeds. Also, if you drive a manual transmission, the mod is a bit more involved, but for performance enthusiasts, it's worth the effort. Number 10. Strut Bars. Strut bars are a simple yet effective mod for improving handling and chassis rigidity. These bars connect the strut towers, reducing flex and allowing the suspension to perform more efficiently. This is especially noticeable during cornering, as the car feels more stable and predictable. Strut bars are a popular upgrade for performance cars and are especially beneficial if you drive on tight, twisting roads or love hitting the track. While this mod doesn't add horsepower, it significantly improves the car's handling and responsiveness, making it a must-have for enthusiasts who want precision on every turn. There you have it. These car mods don't just look cool, they actually work. Whether you're after more power, better handling, or a more stylish ride, these upgrades will take your car to the next level. Be sure to do your research and make sure the mods are compatible with your car before diving in. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more car content. Let us know in the comments which mod you're most excited to try, and we'll catch you in the next video.